changed up the switch panel a little bit. The original button I had here for the push to start, the wording had started to come off and the light didn't work no more, so I ordered that and I replaced these switches with some LED switches. So it comes on, and now these have LEDs built into the tips of them. And power it off. There you go. Again, the wiring is just a little bit different. Main power for the whole truck comes in here. Once you turn the switch on, it loops through the push to start and then daisy chains to the other switches. This is fuel pump, ignition, all that crap. That's the black with white stripe. Then the blue is your accessory. And then here you've got black, yellow, and black, green tied together. One of those sends a signal to the ECU for cold starts, makes it a little bit easier. Just a little bit of an updated video so y'all can see how to wire different switches in if y'all are interested in swapping it up or just making your own. Again, this also, let me disconnect this. This also plugs into the factory wiring harness in the truck. So there is no splicing wires. You don't have to hack up your harness inside the truck. So it's plug and play. If anybody's interested, I will make these and sell them. But I know a lot of us here on the page like to do our own stuff. So let's show y'all one more time what it looks like. I'll just clip here. So you got, oh, let me turn these off. Turn the main power on. That light comes on. The engine start lights up. Well, that would be fuel pump, ignition, all that. That's your accessories like your radio and cigarette lighter. And this is just a blank switch. I don't have anything tied to it. It's just really a future use, and then you can knock them all down and turn them off one by one, or you can leave them all up and knock it down like that. So if y'all got any questions, let me know.